Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It is Tuesday, June 20th, about 5 o'clock.
We went last night and picked up the hauler from Daryn's house, from him running with Brent McKinnon's car last week, 4 nights of the Summer Nationals. So we are putting our stuff back in it, rearranging it.
Gonna do some work to the car a little bit later, get it going here shortly.
Definitely needs a bath. A lot of tires ground.
We drove through a rainstorm coming home. Be 2 weeks ago this Saturday from Peebly the last time we were there, so it was nasty already.
Getting ready for 2 nights of racing this week.
All these fins are laid over.
Dirt comes in the right side and the fan just shoves it into there. But that's what the radiator looked like that come out of the car. George and I spent about 2 hours straightening all the fins on the back side of this, trying to help our cooling issues. Along with, we went to the blue Rocket fan, 6 blade
Instead of 4 blade. Seems everybody around here is fighting cooling issues this year. The radiator was pretty dirty. We let it soak in a kiddie pool for 4 days after we flushed it out several times with the garden hose, and it definitely got a lot of dirt out of it by soaking in a kiddie pool. So
this one's getting ready to go back in the car.
I think we can put it right about here. Yeah. Put a new door bar on, got to drill it.
Got the radiator in, all hooked up, filled up with water. Might fire it up a little later. Fixing. Got the door on.
Doing some relatively extensive research earlier was 68-20 Tony Jackson Jr. Not sure if that's officially the track record, however, for times races it is. We're going to go with it for today until somebody tells me it.
Always has to be one.
Yeah.
So 68-20 is what we're going to go with. So, not sure if we get to that. That is the fastest lap that we can do. As I said before, we had some people. We got Jordan Logan at the top. Have some sort of knowledge of that.
That. There's something on this. I can do that. I can do that. How? I can do that.
She's been beat up.
Nope, I have a long one. I'll wash it. Just start it. Very easy. Okay, wait a minute.
What you looking for?
The wrench? On the other side.
Got the nut.
Definitely blew a nut. Where are you at, George?
I'm right here. I got pressure against it.
It's going through that heavy panel. We don't even need a washer.
I was gonna say, I'd probably not.
Okay, wait a minute, George. Let up on it. Let it come up. Now tighten it.
All right.
It's a lock nut, it ain't going nowhere. She isn't pretty, but she'll race.
Well, still got lots of tire work to do.
Still got to put all them tires in the trailer. Put Daryn's seat in. Put the fenders on it.
Put shocks on it, then it's ready to go in a trailer. That's probably going to happen Thursday night. The plan is for this weekend to run Brownstown, the 10,000 to win Summer National race Friday night. Saturday night we'll track south to Peebly for their 10,000 to win Summer Nationals race. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button for us. That really helps push the video out there so we get some new viewers. Drop us a comment. I read probably about 90% of them. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right hand corner. We will catch you guys later.